Hello everyone. Are you wondering what girl math means? Let's explore. Girl math is a humorous phrase that refers to the playful and sometimes illogical justifications women use to rationalize spending or decisions. It often involves creative reasoning, like thinking of a purchase as free because the money came from a return or seeing an expense as a necessary investment in self-care. The term highlights how people, particularly women, can twist logic to make spending feel more acceptable or less impactful on their budget. Girl math is not meant to be taken too seriously. Instead, it's a lighthearted way to acknowledge the mental gymnastics we all do to justify our choices. In essence, girl math is about making spending decisions feel less burdensome and more fun by applying a unique form of reasoning. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.